Today we will learn how to visualize Microsoft Excel data to Google Earth. So after this tutorial, you will learn how to select the primary key of two datasets, how to join quantitative data with spatial data, and how to convert shapefile to a KMZ file, which will be visualized in Earth, and then visualize quantitative data in Google Earth, and finally you will learn how to change the style in Google Earth. Let's start. First, we will add the shapefile and check the attribute table. Here we see that there is 7 columns, and we consider the user name as primary key to join the quantitative data. So check the Excel data, and you see that here is several columns and name of user is common field with user name. So let's join this. So click here join and then select data and then add and user name. Here we will see that the common field has matched and click validate to join, and here you go. Now you see that your all Excel sheet has added in this dataset. Now just label this, and for every user you get the user price and others info according to this. So now convert all this spatial data into KMZ file, and to convert from the shapefile to KMZ to visualize in ArcMap, we have to go in conversion tools box and then click here and to KML, then layer to KML, and then select model and then click here output enterprise and then click save. You can see the result from here, and this is current session converting layer to KML. It takes a few minutes. Layer to KML, and you got it, and then here output. Now click here, okay, and now you see this shapefile data and quantitative Excel data into ArcMap, and now you see this on only this layer. And to check out the quantitative data, you have to click here, and you see this all of data. Now change up style of this, and hairstyle, color, outline width, and we change it into 4, and now you see that the boundary of every mother and the details. It will be very convenient who have not the ArcGIS and who want to see the database in within the Art4 and real attribute field attribute, and you see that. And from this database you will know that how much the every land parcel price in this model. And that's all about today's tutorial. Thank you.